Hello, and I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday, boys and girls. I miss you guys, and thank you again for tuning in to your word of the day today. I have my paper from yesterday. I already turned it over, and I got my name, and now we need to write today's date. So today is Wednesday, May 6, 2020. So I'm going to write 5-6-20. And your word today is the word cob. Write the word cob. Oh, this is kind of a tricky one because that first sound, there's two letters that make it. Cob. Oh, that's kind of bad. If you need more time, pause the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Ready? Stretching it out. Cob. Say it fast. Cob. Good. Our first sound is k, k, k. Yeah, this is a k, like in Christian. It is letter C for our word cob. If you wrote letter K, that's okay. They both make the same sound. We didn't know. Like octopus, letter O. B. Good. Remember, we start at the top and then belly around. Cob. Making sure all of your letters only go to the floor. Okay, let's think of a rhyming word. Remember, rhyming words are going to end in ob. They have the same middle and ending sounds. So cob, job, tob, fob, blob. Are all of those real words though? Trying to think of real words. You know what? I'm thinking of a name. The name Bob. That's what I'm going to write today. Bob. And since it's a name, should I do lowercase or capital? That should be a capital letter when we write a name. Yep. Bob. Do you have to write the same thing? Nope, just a word that rhymes. Okay, cob. When I think of cob, I think of corn on the cob. So today our sentence is going to be, I like to eat corn on the cob. Say it with me, ready? I like to eat corn on the cob. Okay, say it by yourself. Count how many words in our sentence. Okay, let's try it together. Ready? I like to eat corn on the cob. Ooh, that's a big sentence. 5 and 3, how many? 8, good. Okay, there are a lot of sight words in this sentence. Your pencil should be ready. We're writing this together. First word, I. We always start with a capital letter, good. I. Spaceman. Like. How do I write like? I hope you said it right. L-I-K-E. Write the word like. Let's read it. I like to. How do I write to? T-O. Good. Writing your word to. I like to eat. Eat is not a sight word, but we have done it before with our word of the day. Eat. Oh, and what letter do we have to put with it to make it say E? Do you remember? E-A. Yeah, if you don't remember, that's okay. We are still practicing. So it's E-A to say eat. And then letter T, like in Trenton. Good. I like to eat corn. I'm gonna write corn, ready? C-O-R-N. Corn. On. On is a sight word. How do you write it? Ah. Make sure we start with letter O. O-N. I know sometimes we write it backwards, but that says no. Okay, let's read it. I like to eat corn on the. How do we write the? Oh, I miss when we would do this in class and you guys would all yell it at me. T-H-E. I think that is the sight word you guys know the strongest, huh? Okay, let's read it again. Here we go. I like to eat corn on the cob. It's our word of the day. Go ahead and write cob one more time. What do we need at the end? Is this a sentence or a question? It's a sentence. We need a period. Okay, we're gonna read it one more time. Here we go. I like to eat corn on the cob. Good job, boys and girls, making sure you read it to at least one other person in your family, and I'll see you tomorrow.